In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonials carousel section to your page and configure it. We'll start right inside your page editor. Look for the option to add a new section and click on Add Section. This opens your section library where different content blocks are organized by purpose. Find and click on Testimonials. This category is designed specifically to showcase feedback, reviews, and endorsements in a way that builds trust and guides visitors toward taking action. You'll see several layout options. Take a moment to browse and choose a design that suits your brand's look and the amount of content you have. Clean, minimal designs are great when you want your words to do the heavy lifting, while more visual designs can feature logos or headshots for added credibility. Once you choose a design, it'll be added to your page. On the right side of the editor, click Edit Content. This opens the panel where you can replace placeholder quotes with real testimonials, adjust names and roles, and refine the order of entries. Keep each quote concise and specific. Short, focused feedback is easier to read and tends to convert better. If your design supports images or logos, use high-quality assets and keep them consistent in style for a polished finish. Next, disable the title for this section. Many pages already have a headline just above testimonials, so turning off the built-in title helps avoid repeating the same message and keeps the layout clean. If you prefer to keep a heading, you can leave it on, but disabling it usually creates a more streamlined look. Now go to Design. This is where the visual settings live. Choose Carousel as the layout. Switching to a carousel turns a static list into a horizontally sliding showcase, which is perfect when you have several quotes but limited space. It adds motion without overwhelming the page and encourages visitors to explore more feedback at their own pace. Make sure the contrast between text and background is easy to read, and maintain consistent spacing so the carousel feels smooth and intentional. When everything looks right and your content reads naturally, click Save. Saving publishes your changes and ensures the carousel appears exactly as configured. That's it. Your testimonials are now presented in a dynamic, space-efficient carousel that reinforces trust and keeps your page visually engaging. Thanks for watching and enjoy the improvement the simple